previous period shower routine, you guys enjoyed it. So I decided to do an updated one because that one got over 100,000 views. I was shocked. So if you guys have any questions about periods or period shower routine, put them in the comment section so I can help you. So let's get into it, okay? So as soon as you go into the shower, you obviously want to get wet. It's basically similar to your regular shower routine, but there's some changes. So I go in and shave. I try to do this like a day or two before I know my period's coming because they say that when you have hair, it contributes to smell. So if you can, or if you're able to shave, that would be really good to reduce the amount of smells. All right. So you want to go in with your rags or loofahs, your exfoliating gloves, whatever you want to use. So I have two. With the first rag, I go in with unscented bar soap, and that's going to help me clean my whole body, remove any odors, any smells. So yeah, and back to the shaving thing. You don't have to shave because once you just go in the shower and clean, you're going to be clean. You don't have to. But again, as I said, it's to reduce. So you're going to go in and shower as you normally would, right? I'm going in with my unscented bar soap. And I would recommend you guys go in with something unscented first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Even if you don't have sensitive skin, still go with something unscented because it can disrupt your pH balance. Even if you are on your period, you can still catch infections and stuff like that. Sorry about the noise. If any of you guys want to watch my regular shower routines, you guys can go on my channel. I have a lot of shower routines, okay? And then you want to make sure you get your back, get every crevice and corner. When you go in the shower, you want to come out looking clean too, okay? Make sure you get your feet, ladies. Make sure you get your legs, your feet, things are dripping down. And then you want to go and wash off. So that's going to be your first wash. I go in and wash my face in the shower as well, but we're not doing it obviously for here. But that's something that I do. I make sure I do behind my ears, everything. And then I go in my second rag. The second rag, well, you can use for your private areas, or you can go in with your soap that smells really good. Usually people go in with their private areas with the second rag that they have. This is for people who don't want to use one rag. And then I go around. It smells so good. Like, this smells good. And this body wash that I'm using does not give me like a soapy feel. Some body washes give me a feel that I have soap on me after, and I don't like it. And so I'm happy that I found these ones. So I'm going in and washing everything else off. And now the whole bathroom smells good and I smell good. So now you want to decide between, do you want to wear tampons or pads? It just depends on what you're wearing, where you're going, how you feel, okay? But today, I feel like I want to wear pad. But if you're going in with a tampon, please go in with a panty liner once you have it, because if there's some leakage, at least you can catch it with the panty liner, because if it just goes on your panty, it might leak through on your clothes. So here's the pads. It doesn't really matter about the brand. You just find one that works for you. And then this is what I'll be using today. And then I'm going in with my underwear. Some of you guys will be like, dang, that's big. No, listen, the bigger, the more comfortable, the better. I don't even care. I love these underwears. They make you feel so comfortable. And I think while you're on your period, you want to be as comfortable as possible. They're high-waisted. They make you feel so good. And like, it's just comfortable. So this pad here, it's the long ones. I love these long ones because it helps with leakage on your back. So if you guys get the long ones, wear them. Even if you guys wear them throughout the day, because some of them are overnight pads, just wear them. Who cares? It's whatever you feel comfortable in. It's during your time of the month. So you want to feel comfortable and you want to reduce leakage. And these longer overnight pads with wings, make sure you guys get wings, reduce leakage. So you want to... What you can do now, oh my God, this is frozen. What you can do is that you can put it on, obviously. It just goes all the way up to the back, so it's not going to leak anywhere in your bed. You guys don't have to double up your underwears. You don't have to put on tights and an underwear in your jeans. You don't have to double up your pads anymore. Like, the industry has evolved so much that you only need one pad. And I always say go up a size that you actually are when it comes to pads. If you're small, do mediums. If you're mediums, do large. If you're a large, do extra larges. So I put them on and I'm going in with my regular Hygiene basic care. So this is actually important to help with your period as well, because you guys just want to reduce the smells and look clean. You guys have to look clean, because if you guys don't look clean or don't smell clean, people are going to smell it. I'm telling you guys, when you guys walk past people, when you stand near people, when you sit down, you want to go in and moisturize your whole entire body, lotion your whole body. I do this without clothes on, but obviously I'm on YouTube, so I can't do that. So as soon as you guys come out the shower, please moisturize your whole entire body without clothes on, okay? If you guys do this right as soon as you come out the shower without any clothes on, you guys don't have to moisturize for the rest of the day. You do it once while your body is a little bit damp. It just like your pores are a little bit open and the lotion stays on your skin all day, okay? Say goodbye to ashy skin, please, guys. There shouldn't be no excuse. This is why you guys need to have a routine. When you guys build up a routine, it's going to be so much more easier. So after going in with the regular lotion that just does skin concerns, you're going to go in with a lotion that smells good. So this is a lotion that I have. It doesn't matter the brand. It's Victoria's Secret, but the brand doesn't matter. You just want to go in with a lotion that has a scent to it. So this lotion I'm going on and I'm layering the scent because you want to smell good. You're on your time of the month and you want to smell good to everybody else. So ensure that you guys put something on that smells good. So you go in with the skin concern lotion. So if you have ashy, dry skin, you put on that lotion first, then you go in with the scent. Of course, you want to go in with deodorant. You do not want to have menstrual cycle smell and then you guys have armpit smell on top of it. So go in with your hygiene, go in with your deodorant. I know it's the time of the month and like your stomach is hurting. If you're feeling all this pain, you can't handle it, girl, I got you. Do this really fast. It doesn't have to take that long. This video is only 8 minutes. So in reality, this actually takes me a shorter time. So then I'm going to go in with a body splash. Now, if you're going to stay in your house, go in with a body spray. Simple, cute, go on. Now, if you're going to go on the road, go with a scent, a fragrance. I have a fragrance here. This is like a light floral, fruity fragrance. And I'm just putting it on my robe, but like in actuality, I'll put the body spray on my body. And then when I put my clothes on for the day, that's when I go in with a fragrance because you guys want to layer up. Now, next, you're going to go in with your Vaseline. And your Vaseline is just going on your lips, make your lips look plump. You guys, as I said, look clean. You want to go in the shower and come out looking like a brand new person. You want to look rejuvenated. You want to look clean, moisturized. I'm putting on my lips. Vaseline's the best thing. But if you have any other things that you want to put on, like lip glosses, go ahead and do it. You just want to make sure. Now, everything that I showed in this video, you guys can buy these at drugstores, local drugstores. You can buy them online too on Amazon in those places. But like go to Walmart, go to Target, and you guys can find everything at a good, affordable price. All these shouldn't be that expensive. Now, if you are in Jamaica, you can find these on local haberdasheries, or you can go on Amazon. So thank you guys for watching. I'll link the previous pure shower routines and girl talks, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys did like this, okay? So you guys click on the screen so you guys can view the other one. See you in my next one. Au revoir.